Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start dropshipping in 2025 using AI? In this video, I will walk you through step by step on how to launch a dropshipping business with the power of AI. From product research to store setup and even AI customer support. Let's get into it. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without holding inventory. A supplier ships the products directly to your customer and you keep the profit. In 2025, AI tools make this process faster, smarter, and more automated than ever. Start by finding winning products using AI tools. Sell the trend, niche scalper, or mania. This use machine learning to track trending products. Use ChatGPT or cloud to brainstorm product niches based on your interests and market trends. Then log into your AI account and ask AI, give me 10 trending dropshipping products, dropshipping product products for Gen Z in 2025. Boom, instant ideas like smart LED, gel nail kits, mini projectors, etc. Next, create your store using Shopify or WooCommerce. Go to shopify.com, log into your Shopify account, then from the dashboard, click online store from the left sidebar, pick a theme for your store and customize it. Now here's how AI helps. Use durable.co, durable.co, or Shopify Magic to build a website in minutes. AI can generate product titles, descriptions, SEO keywords, and policies. Create your logo with Luca or Canva AI logo generator. Use ChatGPT to write your about ads, FAQs, or even ads. Now install tools like Desserts for AliExpress or Gendrop, which integrate with your store. So go to your Shopify dashboard, then click Add Apps, then Shopify App Store, then search for Desserts for AliExpress. Install it. They let you import products, sync inventory, and process orders with just a few clicks. AI in these apps suggests to top performing products based on your niche. This is where AI shines. Use ChatGPT or WriteSonic to write, add copy, use Pictory or InVideo AI to create product videos or TikTok reels. AI tools like AdCreative.ai generate ad banners for Facebook and Instagram. Need emails? Use MailChimp AI or Klaviyo to create automated sequences. Now install an AI chatbot like TDO AI, Joey, or ManyChat. It's look like that. TDO AI, then Joey, Joey AI, or ManyChat. These bots can answer customer questions, process refunds, and handle tracking information, saving your time and money. Use tools like Google Analytics Plus AI Insights or Triple Whale to monitor your store's performance. AI can tell you which product is converting, which ad is winning, and where you are losing money. No guessing, just smart decisions. So, you can't learn everything from just one video. That's why I have broken down the full process into several key steps. Each step has its own dedicated video on our channel. By following all of them, you will be able to move forward confidently with your dropshipping journey. And that's how you can start a dropshipping business using AI in 2025. From store creation to marketing and support, AI helps you move faster and smarter. If you are serious about starting and growing a successful dropshipping business, I highly recommend you follow each of these videos in order, from setting up your store, finding winning products, automating with AI, to marketing and handling customer support. Everything is covered step by step. By watching and applying each part, you won't just learn, you will take real action and make process. So make sure to check out the full playlist and don't skip my step. This is your roadmap to building a powerful and profitable dropshipping business with AI in 2025. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a full Shopify AI store tutorial next. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.